Hi guys, welcome to an exciting new series where we show you around the United States of America. Be it the NASA Space Center or the Central Park in New York or the World Trade Center, we've got everything covered and can't wait to take you through our journey. So let's start the first episode without further delay.
वेलकम टू अ न्यू व्लॉग ऑफ सैंकी एंड सुई व्लॉग्स। हम अभी आए हैं ह्यूस्टन म्यूजियम ऑफ नेचुरल साइंस, जो यहाँ का एक पॉपुलर डेस्टिनेशन है।
The Houston Museum of Natural Science is one of the most heavily attended museums in the United States.
यहाँ पे आप जब आओ, you need to book the ticket for one of the shows. There is called a show for dinosaurs, discovery of dinosaurs and secrets of dinosaurs. And there is one more show which is for the planetaries objects like secrets of universe, passport to universe. Like that, they have different shows for understanding different planets and celestial bodies. Mostly it is between $18 if you buy it from the store here that you see. You can just come to the kiosk or store and you just buy the tickets for one of the shows, and then you are ready to go for the show.
You can even buy the tickets online on their official website.
So this is the one for the planets. You have this show for the planets that you can get in.
Show on dinosaurs.
Your tickets from one of these machines as well. And here are some list of donors who has given donations for this museum. You can see the moon. Wow, this is huge, with all the craters that you can think of in moon. Fortune teller cards, okay. So numerology और fortune में जिसका interest है वो यहाँ आके देख सकता है.
Here they even let you name the new dinosaurs. You can make a donation here and choose from the suggested names shown here, and all the money goes into the development of the museum.
So the hologram dinosaur show is going to happen in this theater.
As you enter, you will find a huge 3D screen and comfortable seats for everyone. This dynamic and immersive storytelling attraction uses 3D holographic technology and video mapping to take audiences through more than 140 years of scientific discovery and disputes on the journey to understand the truth about dinosaurs.
Not so long ago that we, the experts, believed that dinosaurs were lizard-like monsters. Now, thanks to a whole lot of digging, we're starting to imagine something new.
This whole experience appeared to be so real that I was totally in awe.
Now listen to this very carefully. There is a very interesting fact that I must share with all of you.
The idea of the standing T-Rex, made popular by movies like King Kong vs. Godzilla or Land of the Lost or Barney, remained pretty consistent throughout the 1960s, 70s, and even 90s, when this guy, a paleontologist named Barney Newman, no relation, was like, there's no way that T-Rex could have stood like that. He would have dislocated his hips or totally messed up his spine. His observations caused scientists to rethink the great Tyrannosaurus. Ultimately, we started accepting a more bird-like posture for the dinosaur, which included an elevated tail. Scientific inquiry results in greater understanding.
After this, I chose to go to the permanent exhibit. इसके tickets will cost you $25. This is the Farish Hall of Texas Wildlife. Here over 425 specimens representing around 250 species illustrate native wildlife before human colonization. with a focus on more than 50 rare, endangered, and extinct species, including those that have recovered from near extinction. Looking at all this, I must say they looked absolutely real, don't they? Comment करके बताना.
यहाँ पे ये डियर्स, ये बतख, डक्स, even the wolf, fox, everything is looking so real, man. Cheers. I mean, look at this.
ये सारे कुछ डायनासोर्स के skeletons displayed हैं and a lot is written about them for the visitors to read and understand.
You even get a glimpse of the evolution of man with some preserved skulls as well.
The Hall of Ancient Egypt takes you through the Egyptian history. Out of everything I found the mummies of ancient commoners resting in timeless slumber the most fascinating. You can even buy and take home these cute souvenirs as memories.
And I would suggest to check out this museum. It's a really educative, like it's really a good place to take your kids. And
म्यूजियम का टूर जितना इंटरेस्टिंग है उतना ही एंजॉयबल उसके बाहर के नज़ारे हैं.
you have done the tour to zoo. आप यहाँ पार्क में आ सकते हो. ये पार्क में आप थोड़ा वॉक भी कर सकते हो, थोड़ा बैठ भी सकते हो. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं. यहाँ छोटे छोटे कियोस्क में स्टॉल लगा के बारबेक्यू का एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. कोई फुटबॉल खेल रहा है, कोई जस्ट वॉक कर रहा है, जॉगिंग कर रहा है. सो देयर इज सो मच टू सी इन दिस प्लेस. एंड नियर टू दैट देयर इज अ जू which you can explore. ह्यूस्टन जू, जो बहुत सुंदर है. आप एनिमल्स देख सकते हो वहाँ पे लाइव वंस.
अगर आप थक जाओ and want to have a relaxed tour of this outdoor park, you can even take this toy train and enjoy a beautiful ride. यहाँ बाहर आपको इतने varieties of birds देखने मिलेंगे up and close, and the ambience is so pretty, you will simply be mesmerized.
आपको अगर अच्छा लगा ये व्लॉग तो ज़रूर हमें सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए इस व्लॉग को, share it with your friends and family, and support us as much as possible.